Yeah, I gotta do a little review here for my buddy Martin. Yeah, good YouTube friend. I wanted to show him this Knight Rider car here I got for Christmas. This is the very early version of the Knight Rider. It's a Russian Knight Rider. Yeah, I just wanted to let you guys check it out. Martin was asking about it. He's a good fan, good guy. He does some of my promotional music. He's been having a little bit of trouble with LIs. Trying to find some LIs. I told him where he could go get some LIs. So, yeah, I'm not sure what type of vehicle this Knight Rider car is. Let me put on my glasses. Oh, hi, how you doing, Poachman here? You guys could tell me, it's a Russian car made in China, apparently. I got this for Christmas. Dragosini. It's a Mockingbird 402. I don't know what this is. 143rd. It's a cool little car. You can see my fingerprints on the bumper. That's pretty neat. But my daughter got me, one of my daughters got this for me for Christmas. That was a pretty cool little car. But I don't know what it is. And she sent away to Russia for it. So yeah, apparently that's this is an early version of the Knight Rider. Yeah. But yeah, I was talking to Martin about this Knight Rider key. Apparently he's a Knight Rider fan, so he wanted me to do the review on this kit. Because I'm going to sell a whole bunch of these kits over here. See those kits? Yeah. I don't know why my voice keeps changing. Maybe I'm going through some kind of menopause or something. Anyway, it's got glass there. Glass is always helpful. And then, oh look, it's got a couple different sets of wheels. It's got the Knight Rider wheels, and then it's got the not Knight Rider wheels, I guess. Side pipes. I don't think the Knight Rider had side pipes. So, yeah, that's kind of funky. I don't even know if the Knight Rider had a regular engine in it, because it shows this engine here, but I thought it had some kind of crazy turbine something or other here. There's the bidet. You know, it's been a while since I built any. Does that say turbo? Got my glasses again. Yeah, I'm thinking this Knight Rider kit's kind of... Look at that. Oh man, you can't focus on that? Oh, that's funny. It doesn't say... It's supposed to say... I don't have macro on this thing, I don't think. It's supposed to say turbo, but it's actually T-I-R-B-O. T-I-R-B-O. That's funny. I've never looked at this kit real hard. This one's like TL. That's funny. Looks like T-I-R-B-O on that side. Oh look, and there's right there. Looks like the Indy 500 wings. The Indianapolis. Was it an Indy pace car at one point? Knight Rider was? No? Yeah. And this one says TLRBO. Turbo. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. The bumper's already glued on it. I didn't glue the bumper to it, did I? I don't know. There's the interior. Well, now this has got a manual transmission. I thought the Knight Rider was automatic. This whole thing's kind of bogus, is what I'm thinking. There's the base, the chassis. It's got some dingleberries there on the fender wheel. That's kind of unsightly. Right, little freckles. I don't know. There's the tires and whatnot. What are those? Oh, that's the little lighty things for the front, huh? Where's the front nose? What's that look like? Night 2000. Well, where's the... Oh, the lights go there. I see. And it's got the turbo hood. So I guess it was a turbo? Was a Knight Rider? I didn't think it had a internal combustion. I thought it had some kind of crazy... Oh, there's some of the Knight Rider crap. Little console and whatnot. Okay. And then there's some kind of doodad there. I don't know what that is. Oh, it comes with two different kinds of hoods. I see. So apparently you can build it two different ways. Nice. All right. But where's the Knight Rider powertrain is what I want. What is this? It's got a cross ram intake manifold? Come on, Malaki. And what kind of, I can see GM HEI distributor there. A couple of water tanks and a Potter Wump. I see a starter, some manifolds. I like the detail on the heads, the rocker arms. Here's the dash. Ooh, there's the kit dash. There it is. I know where it is. Look at all the, holy cow, how would you like to detail that? He's pretty fancy. The seats, got some seats. What else we got in here? We got some suspension pieces. Control arms. And where's the part that makes it go? Where's that part at? Makes it fly through the air. Little spoiler in the back. Oh, there's a core support. Look at that. Rim pieces, a battery. It's got a regular car battery? Come on, man. What kind of sophistication is that? Oh, here's the stock intake. But again, I don't think that the Knight Rider had a... Why is this sticking to my jacket? I don't think the Knight Rider had a regular plan in it. What is that? Oh, dude! Is that the... That's the part that goes... Right? Yeah? No, that's just the intake boot. Here's a couple of block halves. Right? Looks like a small block. Come on! The Knight Rider had a small... And the manual transmission. That ain't right. Okay, this whole kit's kind of bogus, is what I'm thinking. What is this? Oh, there's the legendary steering wheel right there. Look at that. Complete with a dent. No, that's the little insignia. Oh, that's the Knight 2000 insignia right there. See it? Knight 2000. Wow, that's pretty shit. All right, that's it. Box is empty. All right, well, there's your review of the Knight 2000 Knight Rider. Any date on this box? What's the date? 2004? Yeah, I'm not building this thing. I'm selling it. This weekend, this Sunday, it's going on the block. I'm selling it. Skill level 2, so I think I could probably handle that one. Yeah, I've had it for eons. Well, probably since 2004, huh? Durr. Yeah. Como esta copyright? Yeah. See? Mucho bien. See now, look. There goes parts all over the floor. Great. See that number 3 challenging? I couldn't do that. There is no way, because you got to glue and paint. Oh, you got to glue and paint with it too. Ooh. Number 1 would be my style right there. No glue, no paint. But unfortunately, it's a 2. So that's why I'm selling it. Yeah, I couldn't handle it. It's too much. It's too much for the old pooch. Yeah. All right, I gotta go pick that up now. Oh crap! There's parts everywhere. All right. Anyway, how you guys doing? I just did this for Mark, and we was talking on the phone, or we was chit chatting. We were sending each other crazy messages. Something. Anyway, so I haven't really been working on this thing. Probably been a couple months since I worked on my room, so I don't know if it's changed any.
I got that for Christmas. Little sign hung it right there. But I got to build. I want to build some a rack here similar to this one. Put crap up, and then I got display things that got to go on that wall. And then all my kits were up there all along here, but now these are just tubs of parts and whatnot. And so all my kits will be down here now. So I'm down to that 2 piles there. That's all I got left. Are the ones I really want to keep, and I may or may not build. So yeah. But yeah, I just threw up some shelves here, threw some cars on shelves. Not quite sure how I'm gonna really display it. It's just kind of out of boxes and back up on the shelves. A whole ton of yesteryears, little buggies. I think there's about 90 of them on that shelf, I think. I don't know. Yeah. And I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with my boneyard. I want to create a new boneyard. Try to make it bigger. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll use a whole entire shell. I don't know. And then my jammer rack. I don't know if I show you my jammer rack. It's a full 10 feet long. And I got all my jammers in one area now, and I've got some empty holes, so I may or may not be buying a few more jammers. I don't know. But yeah, been working on her. Got my superstructure here in. This keeps the whole building from falling apart. And then I got some roofing. I got to work on some trim for the roofing still. Still got some painting to do and some touch up and work on the doors. The doors for these displays here. I got my floor. I don't think I showed my floor. It's not raised deck, but it's some kind of funky vinyl plastic floor. I like it. Looks better than the old cracked and busted up concrete. Yeah, dirt. So yeah, there you have it. Yeah, I'm a Betty Boop fan. I'm sorry. But yeah, there you go. There you go. The workstation. This is the same worktop that I had here. I just got rid of all the structure around it, made a metal frame for the top. So, and then painted it to match. Yeah. All right, I guess that's it. Until we meet again, I'm trying to keep some content going so they don't shut my channel down. I think I may have to get a vaccination in order to keep my channel open. I haven't got the word back from that yet, because apparently now you can spread it through. It comes through the airwaves and whatnot. Enough of that. So yeah, until later. Remember, the duster always lands on its